Ricky made a new extruder pipe because he broke ours, so it's longer now. He ordered a new one, but the fan that we put back on the he put back on the original fan now.
Yeah, I dropped it though.
We think it was cooling stuff. This one was cooling stuff too fast. He was building a new one.
He was cooling off the extruder, which is right here. The metal piece that gets hot is this piece right here. This is a heat rod in there, and that was getting, the air was blowing straight on it, which was cooling it off. That's not the goal of it.
So we think that's why this is so brittle.
Well, yeah, the plastic was at like 170. That's barely melting temperature. I'm surprised it worked.
So it was blowing on that little metal dealie down there. Made it all like this.